Here we are live again, excuse me, day 22, and today's live video is all about communication. And I started this video right now because we are in the middle of communicating. Currently we're using Slack for all of our team chat and communication. Obviously when we build software funnels, we'll be using our communication tool. So I'm going to turn this around and show you. Here we go. So you see the software funnels dev team. That's the channel. Okay, there's Lindsay. We're communicating right now. Like, we're talking with the team, and I probably need to get back to the conversation here soon. But I've got this screen. I don't know if I'm going to turn it around now. I should have turned around. I got this screen and I got my MacBook Air. So you can see this is where I usually have my browser. This is where I do just move things over here to do quick. And then this one is all for communication. So I've got this tool called Franz where I can use Skype and Slack. Then I've got, over on this side, I also have my Trello. Okay, so this is where all my communication happens on this screen. Now, again, I won't have to have all these tools. Once I have software funnels, I will open up a browser and I'll just move it over here, and that will be where I do all my communication. It's going to be so awesome. So anyway, tip of the day. As you can see, we're talking with the team right here, having a communication about the development of software funnels. So turn it back around and tell you why communication is so important. I've got to get back to communicating here soon so that they don't wonder where I am, but I just wanted to show you real time that we are communicating with all three programmers right now. And it's super important, obviously, communication in life in general with your wife or your husband or your kids or people you work with. Communication is the secret. It's the key to building software. You have to communicate with your programmers, with your designer, with your team, your builder, who's ever managing the project. If you're the manager of the project and you're managing all these programmers and designers, you have to communicate what you want. You have to let them communicate what they need and what they want. Okay? That doesn't mean that they're always going to get what they need and want, but you have to let them communicate. Okay? So communication is the key. Find a tool that works for you. Hopefully it's going to be software funnels. And when we launch that, but for now we use Slack. And you have to use something that's going to communicate. Email you can obviously use, but that's a little bit takes too long to communicate back and forth. You need a tool like a chat tool so that you can chat back and forth with your team. Lindsay literally sits 20 feet, or not even that, maybe 15 feet over across from my office. We chat on Slack all day long just because it's quick and easy, and she doesn't have to come into my office and chat with me all the time, So use a communication tool that's going to help you communicate with your team. Now, when you are communicating, you need to communicate very clearly on the exact details of what you need and what you're trying to accomplish. Okay, so be very specific, and obviously the tool that we use to help with that is Snagit, a screenshot tool that we use to help us communicate when we have to show them specific areas of the software or of the design. Okay, so those are some quick tips today on communication is the key. I got to get back to this because there's a bunch of stuff coming still, okay, and I got to get back to talking with the team and communicating. So there's your tip for the day, software secret tip. Make sure you like this page, Software Secrets, or go to the blog at blog.softwaresecrets.com. Get the book at softwaresecrets.com. And also, if you are interested in software funnels, when we do have this communication tool and all these tools in one place, go to softwarefunnels.com and opt in there so that you can get on the VIP list when we do launch in spring of 2017. Thanks for watching.